will absolutely fall in love with steeping your teas in the Milano glass cups. These gorgeous cups have a subtle fluted lip allowing you to taste the full spectrum of the tea flavors. The extra fine stainless steel infuser provides excellent water flow, and the multifunctional lid also serves as a dish to leave your infuser in after steeping. If making tea is an essential part of your day, the Milano will surely fulfill all your brewing needs. The Radiant Steeping Mug comes in 4 beautiful colors and is designed for your comfort and tea drinking pleasures. You can assure a superior quality glass that will last you for years of everyday use. The extra fine stainless steel infuser provides excellent water flow with plenty of room for tea leaves to expand. And the colorful, multifunctional porcelain lid helps keep your tea hot while steeping and also as a dish to keep your infuser in after brewing. Make your tea experience a pleasurable one with the Radiance collection. The Solista glass mug is classic and definitely a piece to add to your teaware collection. This 3-piece set comes with a double wall insulated mug that's designed to keep teas warmer for longer periods of time. It also comes with a large stainless steel infuser as well as a lid that doubles as an infuser holder when you're finished steeping your tea. The Solista is all you need to make your everyday cup of tea an incredible one. Delight your senses with the gorgeous Wellbeing Personal Tea Maker. This all-glass infuser mug not only looks beautiful, but it also brews an amazing cup of tea. This double-wall mug keeps your teas hot or cold while remaining cool to touch on the outside for a comfortable grip. The glass infuser has extra fine slits capturing the smallest tea leaves. The best part is the multifunctional lid that doubles as a dish to hold your infuser or tea bags after steeping. Making a perfect cup of tea cannot be any easier. Enjoy!